In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And if your photos are recent, click on them over here. If you want to, you can also select folders and access all of your pictures from here. To attach one of them, just click on the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!